Whether you're repairing a damaged garden fence, inflating a flat car tire on the go, pumping up a deflated sports ball, or even cleaning away dust on your car, this versatile, compact 1+ air compressor gives you all the power and portability to get the job done. The 4-liter tank provides plenty of air supply and a pressure of up to 120 psi or 8 bar, ensuring both the runtime and power to get the task done. The push-to-connect universal quick coupler allows quick and easy air attachments, and the drain valve releases surplus air from the tank after each use, preventing buildup of water. A professional locking regulator keeps pressure set to the desired psi, providing the accuracy you need, and with one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can inflate up to 9 car tires from flat to full. This 1+ air compressor is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries or chargers. As part of the 1+ system of over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this compressor will work with any 1+ battery.